Maganda siya. So, kapag ka, guys, inopen mo siya. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Sundays. Kaso, I'm so stressed kasi, yung iMac na binili namin noong November, it's not for vlogging. It's for documentation and then stock market. But, the only thing is, stress na stress ako kasi, actually, dahil, hindi siya nagpa-function sa gusto kong function. Because it's just 8GB CPU and 8GB GPU and 256 MB gigabytes sa storage. But ang problema ko is sa GPU and CPU. So ngayon pupunta kaming Apple Store. Malapit lang dito yon, actually 5 minutes bike. Bibili na ako nung MacBook Pro. Actually, I'm so excited. Kasi, this is one of my investment in YouTube. Kanina, nasa labas kami, nag-coffee. I thought it's my relax day. But kasi ngayon ay talagang bottleneck na yung work ko sa YouTube through my iMac. So, papakita ko sa inyo So, look at that. I have some file. Hindi na siya mag-open, actually. So, this is now for documentation. Alam nyo, nanghihinayang ako kasi November lang yan. But, ang dami ko na rin pinagtanungan, consultations. Hindi talaga niya kaya ang pag-i-edit. Lalo 4K yung video ko dito sa DJI at sa Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Hindi talaga kaya. So, ngayon, nag-decide ako mag-vlog. It's 6 o'clock. And then, bibili kami ngayon. Hanggang 7 o'clock yung Mac. Sana maabutan namin. It's just 5 minutes bike. So, let's go. Dito ako sa Mac ngayon. Hindi ako pwede mag-vlog over there kasi it's for private purpose. But I got the Mac Pro M4 Pro processor with 512GB. And I'm so happy with that. Wala na akong stress. I'm happy. This is my investment. So, psychologically, yes. I have my MacBook Pro now, so I'm happy. This is just close by to our house. Easy, 7 o'clock before the closing, I got it. So let's go home kasi magtatrabaho pa ako. So nakauwi na kami from Mac. Medyo na-dehydrate ako doon. Mainit ngayon. Actually, it's 25 degrees Celsius. Kaya kailangan ko uminom. This is a strawberry syrup with soda water. Guys, mag-haul ako. Wala akong kanina sanang video kasi alam mo, na-stress ako talaga this past few weeks since bumalik kami ng Portugal kasi hindi ko ma-edit yung mga videos. Kasi I thought dati ganun-ganun na yung vlogging. So, if you have a good cameras, good desktop, okay na. But, nitong mga nakaraan, nung dumadami na yung videos na tina-transfer ko, medyo nagkakaroon ako ng bottleneck sa ginagawa kong workflow. So, I've been so stressed kasi stress naman siya in good terms kasi I've been doing the planning for my YouTube channel. So, Ngayon, kailangan ko ng mas mabili. So, wala akong alam dyan dati because I'm not interested to do my private life in YouTube before. But I realized I have a very nice place in the Netherlands, especially in Amsterdam. I'm in the city center. So, tsaka lagi kami umaalis, lagi kaming gumagala, lagi ako nasa labas during my workflow. Although my work is clients are private, but all the things after that is free na akong mag-video. Like everything in Amsterdam makikita nyo sana. But ngayon makikita nyo na talaga kasi I have a good computer na magagamit. But I feel so spoiled. Today, I really feel so spoiled kasi kanina nag-shopping lang ako ng konti. Kasi akala ko guys ha, ang kailangan ko lang is a good portable SSD hard drive. Nung Friday ko pa siya binili, but kanina ko lang siya pinick up kasi wala nga akong time. Pagdating nga sa Portugal, yung workflow nung business namin is, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung business namin soon. But for now, my schedule Monday to Friday until Saturday is too busy. A lot of changes sa business namin. So, ako yung nag-handle nun and Bob. Bob is more on physical and skills. And I'm on the documentation and planning and auditing about expenses. So, anyway, let's unbox my ito yung pinaka mahal ko sa Apple na nabili. It's now, I think nasabi ko na sa inyo. Here is my MacBook Pro 512 external memory. This is not just M4. This is M4 Pro. So I researched a lot about what is good in vlogging for this computer. Then I came out with this. This is really awesome. Look at that. Look at that. I like the space gray because our MacBook is white. So if I can get you into it, it says M4 chip, 24GB geheugen, 512GB opslag. Opslag means memory. This is in the Netherlands term. So, let's unbox this. Okay? So, bago pala yung MacBook Pro, sabihin ko muna sa inyo, binili ko kanina before ako mag-decide. So, trinay ko to, nabilin, itong hi Kuya Nick. So, siya yung isa sa mga consultant ko pagdating sa YouTube channel. So, this is Samsung Portable SSD 4TB. Ito yung na-recommend din sa akin dun sa binilan ko. Kasi dito, guys, kapag bumili ka, may mga recommendations yung salesman or sales lady. Which is, sa Cool Blue ako bumili. Cool Blue without space. COOLBLUE is in blue in English. So, ito yung 4TB na nirecommend nila sa akin. So, guys, buksan natin. Actually, kanina chinek ko to, but because I'm going to do unboxing, hindi ko muna siya binuksan. So, this one, kung pagka bukas nyo, ito siya. I think this is the cable, which is USB-C type na siya. Yeah. Feel so spoiled, but I'm grateful always diba? But this is a investment, guys. So, this is the Samsung Portable SST T5 Evo. So, for sure, kapag ka nilagay mo to or in-insert mo to dun sa USB-C, masyado nga lang siyang look like hairy thing kasi smooth yung ano niya, soft. Yun o, temo. Yung paper nito napunta dun. So, this is portable SSD T5 Evo. Kung naghahanap kayo, sabi nila, this is nice. The Samsung. This is one of the nicest brand pagdating sa portable SSD. So, that's one. So, I got also the 3 docks of, is it docks? Or port, 3-port USB-C. Nahirapan ako sa dami na nang china-charge ngayon. So, bumili na ako ng 3. Meron akong 2 na port. 2-han. But it's just for me. But I think this is going to Bob's side of the table. Or maybe sa akin. And then, I got... Bob gave it to me. The Captain and Son. Favorite namin to, ha. Kapag sa mga... what do you call that? Backpack. Kasi ang nasa isip ko ay Dutch. So, this is the one. If naghahanap kayo ng parang aesthetic na design, check that out. Maganda siya. So, kapag guys, in-open mo siya, actually kanina nakaganyan yan, kaso ginamit ko na going to Apple Store. So, this, I chose gray. Meron silang green, meron silang sky blue, meron silang cream, but I got the gray one. Very nice sa akin kasi yung mga bags ko na may brand, hindi kasya yung lahat. I have a small card holder. I have the little cash wallet. Hindi siya kasya. And keys from our house, keys from our bikes. Hindi siya kasya. Kaya Bob told me na bumili ako nito kasi nga for sure dito kasya. Even the camera is kasya. And power bank kapag aalis kami or somewhere else. Madali din siya. Pwede siya, I think pwede siyang laban or not. But I don't care. Meron din siya ditong bulsa. Very cool. Is it? Yeah, very cool. May bulsa siya sa likod. Ito yung brand. Hindi siya ganong kita guys ha. Ito to. Pero gustong-gusto ko tong brand na to, Captain and Son. Not Captain, but Captain is K-A-P-T-E-I-N and Son. Then, tanggalin na natin. Nice also kasi meron siya ditong 3 slot na pwede mong lagyan ng phone, pwede mong lagyan ng wire or AirPod, which is I always bring my AirPod everywhere. Yeah, this one. Hindi ako makapag-ASMR kasi sa baba namin may bar. Kapag magandang weather dito, guys, most people goes to bar. I mean, cafes. I don't know how to say it to you, but I think it's bar. Yung inuman ng mga beer. And then, the main. So, ayan, may isa siyang lalagyanan pa. So, di naman kami ganong makash. Kaya, ayan. And then, Captain and Son. Napaka daming space na malalagay. I think I have it here. And some silica gel. But, I'm going to use it for sure most of the time. Maybe every day. So, yan. Hindi na ako mahilig sa mga luxury bags, ha. Tapos na yung era ko dun. Ayun, that's it. Yung iba. Then, dito na tayo sa MacBook Pro. So, okay lang. Sige. This is it, pansit. So, ayan. Lapit natin ng konti. Ibaba natin ng konti yung camera. So, ayan, guys. Here. So, i-unboxing na natin. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi ako makapag-ASMR kasi malayo dito. Then, here is yung case ito, in-order ko pa. So, dalawa pala siya. I-open. Actually, dapat ipapanano screen ko to. So, kaso nga, ay hindi na ako makapag-antay. Kailangan pa yun ipa-customize. Personalize, customize. So, this is a space gray reveal. Shall I take this? So, oh, wait. Later. This is the unit. So, pag open mo, yan. Yung cable, we have USB-C and we have this. Yan. So, ito talaga siya sa Apple, diba? Pero yung ibang unit, hindi ganito. But this is the 2024. So, this is some papers. Alam niyo naman si Apple. I don't need that. And this is the offladder. The offladder is yung saksakan. I don't know in English. I know in Dutch, but this is the saksakan. Color white pala siya. So, hindi pala siya color. And then, I think yun lang. Kasi, this is just a box. So, lagyan natin dito. Dito. And this is the box. Oh, this is the unit. And the box. Put it here. Makapal yung box niya, ha? So, yeah. So, I'm happy with this, guys and girls. Ang pinakahihintay ko na one of the greatest investment. Tanggalin ko yung sing-sing ko kasi baka siya ay magkaroon ng scratch. And this is it, guys. Makikita ko sa'yo. So, ito siya. Tama ba? Ang ating, dito. Other way around, guys. This one. Wow. Narinig nyo yun, guys. Look at that. So, hello, guys. Hello. So happy with that. Very nice. Isn't it? So, kung titignan nyo yung unit, this is it. Touch ID. This is the unit. So, hindi na, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong nano screen, wala kayong makikita sanang reflection. Kaso, ayun nga, hindi ko na siya mahantay. So, yan. So guys, ito na nga. Open na natin. Medyo makalat siya. And I don't like it. Usin natin yung mga box, something like that. So, pagka bumili ka kay Apple, pwede mo siyang, kung di ako nagkakamali pwede mo siyang ibalik within 30 days. So, let's set up it. Of course, English, UK. Because we are in Europe. So, ganyan siya kalaki. So, happy. So, select your region or country. Of course, Netherlands. Input sources, it's in Dutch. Accessible pictures is, yes, monitor, hearing. Okay. Let's do some letter T. Ano nga ba ang aming TMNO? We are on OD though. And I don't know what's our internet. Guys, sineset up ko na siya. Actually. Then, alam mo gusto ko dito, meron siyang 3 USB port and card reader. Meron naman akong card reader. Pero, mas maganda kapag meron ka na ring ditong mas magandang card reader na naka-built-in. Pero kailangan ko pa rin yan kasi minsan multi-port yung kailangan ko. But I'm happy with this. Sineset up ko na siya. Look at that. Kailangan niya kasi dito sa saksakan. So, muna tayo. Medyo mahirap siyang i-set up. Kasi gumagawa ko ng bagong iCloud for my vlogging thingy. So, kailangan kong i-enable yung location. Okay, I do. So, screen time, weekly reports, downtime, and limits. The screen passcodes. Yeah, I did do that. Share iCloud Analytical to Apple. Okay, I don't know. But I share it. Technically. Let's do this. Help Apple to improve. So, I share it. I don't know. So, share it. I don't know what's that. Apple Intelligence, writing. Naninibago ko kasi yung iPad ko, nakakapag-touch ako doon, but this one is not. Another game changer thing. So guys, that was it for today. Hope you enjoy my late vlog. It's already 9 o'clock in the evening here, but of course there's still a sun. I'm gonna show you. Still there. Look at that. So, kasi nga summer ngayon, di pa kami nag-dinner. Kailangan kong gumawa ng dinner, guys. I think yung pinakamadali na lang, I'm going to buy pizza and fries at the neighborhood, or I'm going to get the pizza na naka-freezer, and then that's it. I hope guys you enjoy this vlog, and wala na akong stress. Makakapag-vlog na ako through all the week. Then guys, for sure mabibigyan ko na siya ng time. Hindi na nagbabottleneck yung workflow ko kasi I don't like that. This is a YouTube channel. Kapag gumawa kayo, this is an investment that you need to climb up sa mga dapat nyong matutunan within those struggles na ma-encounter nyo. So, madami yon. So, gagawa din ako ng video about doon. If you want to build a YouTube channel like me, daily vlog, I think number one ko kayong matutulungan dyan. So, it depends on your situations and time. Guys, we'll see you on my next vlog. I hope that you like, subscribe my video every time. And mahaba-haba pa tayong magkikita every other day or every day. Well, have a nice evening to all, guys. Good night. Bye.